Good morning, it's Miss Vasvary, and I'm here with a math puzzle for you. It's an adding puzzle, and attached to your family's emails, there are more puzzles that you can fill in. If you have a printer, you can print it out, or you can copy them onto a whiteboard or a paper like I did and try some at home. So check your family's email for more puzzles like this. Now let me show you how to do them. So, in your square, you have 9 little sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because a 3 by 3 square, or 3 times 3, makes 9. So I have 9 little boxes. On the outside, I have answers to adding questions. So this row here has to add up to 11. So it's basically asking you, what is 3 plus what plus 6 equals 11? So it's asking you 3 plus blank plus 6 equals 11. We need to figure out what's going in that blank. So let's use what we do know. We know 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So on this section, this row, I already have 9. I'm missing one number for here. So 9 plus what number equals 11? So our new question looks like this. 3 plus 6 was 9. 9 plus what equals 11? I can do maybe some counting up to see. So if I start at 9 and I want to get to 11, I count up. I go 9, 10, 11. Oh, I'm already there. I counted 2. So if I put a 2 here, this should add up to 11. Let's check it out. 3 plus 2 is 5. We know that. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 6, let's count up. If we count up from 6, 5 more. So it comes after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. So we know 3, 2, and 6 are the numbers on the top row that are going to make 11. When you're doing questions like this, you always want to look for the fewest boxes you need to fill in. So I don't want to fill in this one because I have one number but 2 empty boxes. 6 plus something makes 13. Let's try one where I only have to fill in one box. So let's do this down column. 3 plus 6 plus something. So I'm only missing one number. 3 plus 6 plus something equals 9. So let's see, what's 3 plus 6 to start with? So let's count up from 6. We always count up our smaller number. So 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8, 9. We're already at 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So do I want to add any more? No, I already want 9. So 9 plus what number equals 9? It's going to be 0. 9 plus 0 equals 9. So here, 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 0 is 9. You can see we're filling in our board, so we're getting more and more rows that just need one more box to fill in. So let's try this one. Let's go across. 0 plus 6 plus something equals 9 again. So 0 plus 6, we know that that's 6. So now we're looking, 6 plus what number equals 9? 6 plus what number equals 9? Let's count up. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9. How many? 3. So we know 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Look at that, we only have 2 more squares to go. Now, do you think it's easier to do 6 plus a number equals 19? Or should we do them this way, where we only have to fill in one missing square? I think we should go up and down, where we only have to fill in one missing square. So let's try one of these. 2 plus something plus 6 equals 17. That one might be a bit harder, so let's add what we do know. 2 plus 6 equals, let's count up, 6, 7, 8. 8. So we have 8 here. 8 plus some number equals 17. That's a little bit of a harder one. I'm going to put this down. We're looking for 17. Let's use counting up to see how many more than 8 we need to get to 17. So let's count after 8. What comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, 17, we got to where we want to go. So how many fingers do we have? 9. 8. So this 8, the 2 plus 6 was 8. 8 plus 9 makes 17. You want to make sure that all the numbers in your row and your column, rows and columns, equal the answer at the edge. So after, we're going to check all of them. We have one more to try. All right? Let's go up and down again, because 13 is a smaller number than 19. So 13 will be easier to get to. 6 plus 3 plus something equals 13. So add what you do know. What do we know? We know we have a 6. We know we have a 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. But we want to get to 13. So 9 plus what number equals 13? We're going to count up again. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check my answers. So I'm going to check to make sure that all of my columns and all of my rows equal the right number. So I'm going to erase all my extra work on the edge, my work that was helping me. It's okay to write it down. I just need the space again. So 3, we already checked 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. We already did that one. Let's check the next one. 6 plus 9 plus 4. Well, I know my compatibles to 10. 6 and 4 makes 10, plus 9 is 19. Perfect. Let's check the bottom. 0 plus 6 plus 3 equals 9. Well, 0 plus 6 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So all of our rows are correct. Let's check our columns, make sure. 3 plus 6 plus 0. Oh, that looks a lot like this one, just a little mixed up. So we know that 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 0 is still 9. Let's check the next one. 2 plus 9 plus 6. I don't have any compatibles here, so I'm just going to count up. 9 plus 2 is 11, because 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 6, well, I know that 1 plus 6 is 7. So 11 plus 6 is 17. Just adding that 10 back. 17, so we're right. And we have one more to check. 6 plus 4 plus 3. Oh, compatibles to 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. We did it! We filled in the box correctly. So you have a few more of these in your family's emails, and you have one that's a little bit trickier. It's a bonus one. So I'm going to show you one that looks a little harder, a little bit like the bonus one. Do you see how my numbers are a little bit bigger? Make it a little bit tricky, but that's okay. I'm going to show you a few of these because there's some in here that you might have to do a different way, and I'll show you how to do that. Sometimes you might have to do one with 2 blank spaces, and we'll have to check that out. So watch as we do this one. Well, we have 2 places, 2 options where we're only missing 1 box. We could go 11 plus 12 plus something, or we could go 7 plus 9 plus something. But it's the same number in the middle. So let's try to do the 7 plus 9. Those numbers look smaller, so it might be easier. 7 plus 9, I know that if I take 1 from here and put it here, that would make my 10 here. So I would actually have 1 less here is 6 plus 10, 16. I have 16 in this row so far. 16, but I need to get to 21. So 16 plus something equals 21. Let's count, I have a little mess there. Let's count up to see 16 plus what makes 21. So after 16 comes 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5. Perfect. So we'll put our 5 here. And let's check this one because it filled it in. Let's check to see if it's right. 11 plus 5, count up, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 plus 12. Let's add our 1s and add our 10s. So my 6 plus 2 for my 1s is 8, like 28. Great. And my 10 plus 10 is 20 for 28. So it looks like we have the right number here. Now is when we get to the tricky part. There are no other places we can go that have 2 already filled in and only 1 box missing. Here I have 1 missing, 2 missing across, 1 missing, 2 missing down, 1 missing, 2 missing down, and 1 missing, 2 missing across. So this is time you have to use guess and check. So you have to make a guess, put something in there, and then see if it's right. So let's try a few of these. I don't even know the answers yet. So let's do 11. We'll do this one across. 11 plus 2 numbers make 30. Now there's different ways to answer these questions. So some of you might get different answers, and that's okay. I'm going to start off with, I'm going to put a 10 in because 10s are easiest to add. So if I have 11 and I put 10 here, 10 plus 11, I know I just need my 10's spot to go up, this one. So it would make it, instead of 11, 21. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 to 30. Now if I'm not sure, I can always use counting up. That's a great method for this activity. So we're at 21, we need to get to 30, so let's count up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, I have 9 fingers up. So I know that 10 plus 11 plus 9 would make 30. Oh, and look at that. It looks like our puzzle is coming together. We might need to change some things though, so let's see. I only have now 1 box to fill in here. Let's see what it might be. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7, I know. I just add the 10 here, so it would be 17. If I have 17 and I need to get to 28. So I have 17 plus something equals 28. Can you see that? That's okay. 17 plus something is 28. Well, I know 17 plus 10 is 27. And that's just one, I need 1 more. So 17 plus 11, with that extra 1, will get me 28. So 10 plus 7 plus 11 equals 28. And if you're not sure, we can check it. 10 plus 11 was 21. And let's count up 7. 21 plus 7, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Plus 7 is 28. Were we right? Yes, we wanted 28. Perfect. Now, we need to see if our last one is going to be right. So let's check it out. 11 plus 12. Well, I know if I add, I'm trying to get to 30. 11 plus 12, if I add my 1s would be a 3, and my 10s, 10 plus 10, is 20. 23 plus some number equals 30, because I'm trying to get to 30. 23 plus some number equals 30. Let's count up. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How many? 7. So let's put our 7 here. And then now we need to check to make sure we did it all right, because sometimes you put numbers in and it doesn't work every way. So let's check. 10 plus 11 plus 9. So if I have 10 plus 11, we already remember, that's 21. 21 plus 9, I know 1 plus 9 makes a 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. This one's right. Let's check it off. Check. Let's check the next one. 7 plus 5 plus 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 plus 9. Well, I know 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 would be 22. And that's 1 less. 12 plus 9. I'm making 1 away. So 12 plus 9 is 21. Good job. Let's check our bottom one. 11 plus 12 plus 7. Well, let's add what we do know. Let's try 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7, we add our ones together, it's 18. 18 plus 12, so if I have 18 plus 12, I know that my ones will make a 10, and my 10s will make a 20, because 10 plus 10 is 20, and then 20 plus 10 is 30. So we're right. Good job there. We have 3 at the bottom to check. I'm just going to clean up a bit so we have extra room to work. There we go. Let's check the bottom. 10 plus 7 plus 11. We're trying to get to 28. Well, 10 plus 11 was 21. We did that one a lot this time. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 7, I know 1 plus 7 is 8, so it's 28. Perfect. Check. You should always check your squares to make sure they match. 11 plus 5 plus 12 should make 28. Let's check. 11 plus 12, if I add my ones, 1 plus 2 is a 3. 10 plus 10 is 20. 23. 23 plus 5, well, 3 plus 5 is 8, so it's 28. Perfect. It's looking like we did it correct. Keep checking. 9 plus 9 plus 7. Well, I know my doubles. 9 plus 9 is 18. I know that from my doubles. 18 plus 7. If you're not sure, let's count up. 18 plus 7. Here's my 7. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Is that what we were supposed to get? Yep. Perfect. We did it right. Okay, so that's my explanation. I hope it made sense. If not, remember to add the rows and add the columns to see if it makes the right number at the edge. Remember to check your family's emails for more. And if you really like these, you can look up more by typing into Google. I called them adding puzzles 3x3. And I found a whole bunch of them. So if you really like them and want to do that for part of your math, look them up on the internet. And you can do them on scrap paper. I might send along some more puzzles later. So try those out. I hope they go well, and I will see you next time. Bye!